So I'm back in Michigan. Yesterday, I was in Northeast Ohio. That's what today's video is about. I'm gonna take you through step by step exactly what I do when I go to some new public land to hunt mature bucks. As I said, today's gonna be an awesome day. I'm gonna break down each step all the way through. Got some video, got some pictures, got the apps. Let's get into it. I will be getting more in depth into each step. If you guys definitely have any questions, shoot them in the comments. We're out here still trying to find mature Michigan big bucks. So stick with me. Hope you guys enjoy today's video. All right, you guys, well, I'm getting close to the Lake Lassawan Wildlife area in Northeast Ohio. My first step, went on my Onyx app, searched out which public area, kind of got an idea of the topography and the layout. Now my first step when I get here is I'm tracking down, going to the DNR office to speak to a couple of DNR officers. They're doing a controlled burn, it just so happens, so hopefully they can give me some good intel, maybe a couple of tips, and we'll go from there. I do have another app, ARCGIS Explorer, that I utilize for most recent I made it here in Northeast Ohio to public, spoke to the DNR. They informed me that a lot of people hit the public down here hard in the beginning, but it kind of wanes off for the October lull. So with that in mind, I came out here to scout this ag field, which is a cut cornfield. Hopefully it'll be bean this year. And then it comes down into this little valley of switchgrass and juniper trees. And it looks like some red willow and red osier dogwood down there. And then it comes up into these little ridges, into this hardwood. So if you come over here, there's a creek running right through here. Another little creek cuts up into there and they cross. So this is kind of a trifecta, quadruple area of signs that I look for in the lay of the land. Now if I can find some rubs along this ridge line here, heading back into that creek bottom where I believe they'd be bedding, or up on that southern facing hill and coming out of that red osier dogwood to make their way to this ag field. I'd like to be in here onto these hardwood ridge for that next coming season this fall, because if they're in the October lull, that's a lot of the times when they're in the hardwoods eating acorns and whatnot. Looks like there's a few hickory trees and some other things around here, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully this all plays out. Let's go. Please take note of the parking areas. The spot I chose is in the dead center of the public, making it the furthest walk from each of those parking areas, hopefully to give myself some distance from other hunters. Something to note for public hunting. Now my next mission is to find two rub lines that meet up and form a T or like an H. And if there's a scrape anywhere nearby, you best believe I'll be there. All right, so I'm out here kind of in this public piece of public is about 4 miles long and about 1 mile wide. So in essence, when we're in the middle of this public, if the deer run a half mile either way, they can get to private. So I think I found the location. I want to come back in here. When out scouting for sign, something that I focus on is rub lines that form a T or an H that intersect or run perpendicular with each other. These are high activity spots, and I will key in on these areas. Be sure to like and subscribe, as I'll be breaking down each one of these steps more in depth. Hunt hard and be safe.